Alright, bago tayo magsimula, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go!